The Lazy Person's Guide to Success is a concept that suggests that by making small changes in your daily routine and mindset, you can achieve success without putting in too much effort. One key aspect of this approach is discipline. Many people assume that discipline is about pushing yourself to work harder and longer, but it's actually about making smart choices and sticking to them. For example, instead of trying to force yourself to wake up early, you could try going to bed earlier so that you naturally wake up earlier. Another important aspect is setting goals. Having a clear idea of what you want to achieve will help you stay focused and motivated. However, it's also important to remember that success is a journey, not a destination. Instead of fixating on the end result, try to enjoy the process and celebrate small wins along the way. Another key strategy is to break down your goals into manageable chunks. This will make it easier to focus on one thing at a time and not get overwhelmed. Additionally, by breaking down your goals, you can celebrate your progress and stay motivated. Additionally, it's important to be realistic and have a clear understanding of what you are capable of. It's good to have big goals, but it's also important to be realistic about the time and resources you have available to achieve them. Lastly, it's important to stay organized and manage your time effectively. This can be done by creating a schedule and sticking to it, delegating tasks, and learning to say no to things that don't align with your goals. In summary, the Lazy Person's Guide to Success suggests that by making small changes in your daily routine and mindset, you can achieve success without putting in too much effort. By having discipline, setting realistic goals, breaking them down, managing time and staying organized, you can make discipline and success an easy thing to achieve.